In this video, we'll be focusing on taking different models of common frameworks that you've used in a training and pre-production environment and package them up for deployment in a few easy steps. We'll be using the house price prediction model, and we will upload a TensorFlow model into production. Now, the first step for us is we've pre-loaded our libraries, we've also connected to the Wallaroo client and authenticated, and we've created a workspace. Now we're ready to upload our TensorFlow model. We'll use the upload model method, which will help prepare our model for upload and production. We'll pass the model path, the zip load, and the model framework. And in a couple of seconds here, our model will be ready for production environment. Next, we move into deployment configuration. And so this is where we establish our pipeline name. We can also set a replica count of 1, our CPUs, and 2 gig of memory. This is super handy if you've got an edge environment or limited resources. You can deploy it, making sure that it's optimized in that environment. Now we have a running model. We have production, and so we're ready to now test this and make sure that it is working the way it's supposed to. So we're going to take some sample data here, and we're going to run this, and now we can see that we have our output. And so we will also then convert it to a data frame, and then we'll call the pipeline infer, and we'll get an output as well. And so these steps, again, are fractions of a second for us to go through. We can see our output, our house price prediction has come up with about 1.1 million. And now finally we can run the pipeline URL command. And what this does is it exposes the endpoint as a URL that we can integrate into an application. And so in a matter of minutes, we've taken our model from pre-production or training environment and deployed it into an active production and working environment. This is super easy, a couple of lines of code, and it gives you, the data scientist or MLE, a lot of time back to focus on the other important things in your AI lifecycle. Thanks very much. Take care.